You know that story? Bhaktivinoda Thakur was magistrate, and one person in Odisha, he declared himself that I am Vishnu. And in the village, he was enticing young women and girls to dance at night. And some of them protested, and they lodged complaint to the government that this person is doing like that. And the government commissioner, he knew that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kedarnath Datta, was a very elevated religious man, and he was magistrate. So the commissioner entrusted the inquiry to Kedarnath Datta at that time. So Kedarnath Datta, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, took the matter and went to inquire that in the village of Odisha with some constables in plain dress. So when he went there, he had some yogic power. So immediately he could say, "Oh, your name is Kedarnath Datta, I know, you are a very good man, but don't be after me, you will not be happy. And I shall elevate you to become the king of this country, don't be after me." Now, if anyone, you are Bhaktivinoda Thakur, a strong devotee, if any other person would have been addressed like that, you would be immediately puzzled how this man is talking about me, that I am Kedarnath Datta, I am magistrate, and so you would not do anything. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur was so strong, he said, "Yes, thank you very much, that I shall become king. So why don't you go to Jagannath Puri and stay there? That is a nice pilgrimage, and you can stay there. Many holy men go there. Why you are in this village?" He wanted to drive him from that village. "Oh, what is that Jagannath? That is wood. I am Vishnu." As soon as he said, Bhaktivinoda Thakur became fire. "Oh, this rascal is like that." Immediately ordered, "Arrest him." And he saw some fiery sparks coming from his jata. So the constables were hesitating to arrest him. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur ordered, "Yes, immediately arrest him, handcuff." So he took him away, arrested. And as soon as he returned home, all the members of his family were in fever, high degree fever. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur himself was in fever. He made some trick, yogic trick. So his wife began to cry, "Oh, you have arrested one great yogi, he is Vishnu, and therefore we are now going to die. We are now." So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, "Yes, you die, you all die. Still what I have done is all right." Then when there is date for appearance in the court, the man was brought, in yogi, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur asked. Bhaktivinoda Thakur was suffering still in fever. Still he attended the court and asked his constable that cut his jata. Jata is, yes, jata. So no barber was available. Because they knew that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, after arresting, he is suffering from fever, whole family is lying down in fever. So nobody came forward to cut his jata. So Bhaktivinoda, "All right, bring one scissor, I shall cut." So he personally cut. And personally cut, and that man became very thin immediately. after cutting his jata. He had some power in the jata. And he ordered 6 months imprisonment. And in the prison, he managed to take some poison and died.